ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंदगोपकुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामीनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नामने गौरत्विषे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna. So welcome everyone for our concluding session of the iOS camp. So we are again very grateful to Satyanand Prabhu and we are fortunate to have his association again. So he will be enlightening us on the wonderful pastimes of how Narad Muni became a devotee, the past life of Narad Muni and how he became a devotee. So we welcome Satyanand Prabhu in our traditional style by loudly chanting 3 times.
Hari I also like to welcome you all after having a heavy day today. You still manage. You still manage to come, and it is very difficult to give class after lunch and if you don't have a sufficient rest. So you are at risk and I am also at risk. So this pastime of Srila Narada Dev becoming a devotee is very interesting. It is elaborately explained in the first canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. We all have read and you must have heard about the Journey Home book. How Richard Slavin becomes a devotee, and he comes across so many things and finally reaches to his destination. Similarly, this is the first autobiography of a sage who talks about his own life, and we all are interested to know about how you came in Krishna consciousness. Everyone has a unique story. I remember one couple I met, and their story started with their child. So what had happened, this couple's child used to go to school, must be senior KG or first, and this child started demanding different thing in the house. So this child started demanding, I want to put tilak. So the पेरेंट्स थॉट हो कि थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा ऐसा वो अपना रेगुलर वाला तिलक लगा देंगे तो काम हो जाएगा. बोला नहीं, आई वॉन्ट टू पुट तिलक लाइक माई फ्रेंड. सो द पेरेंट्स केम टू द स्कूल, दे सॉ दैट चाइल्ड्स फ्रेंड. तो चाइल्ड फ्रेंड था डिवोटी का लड़का, और डिवोटी कैसा तिलक लगाएगा, अपना स्टाइल, गौड़िया स्टाइल. सो देन द पेरेंट्स सॉ, अच्छा ऐसा तिलक चाहिए तेरे को. सो देन दे स्टार्टेड पुटिंग तिलक लाइक दैट. देन चाइल्ड स्टार्टेड डिमांडिंग, अरे मुझे वो मेरे दोस्त के जैसा खाना चाहिए. अभी दोस्त का जैसा खाना क्या, वही रोटी सब्जी चपाती रहता है. तो बोला चलो हमको एक वो भी देखने दो. तो द पेरेंट्स केम एंड दे टेस्टेड. तो बोला ये कौन बनाता, बोला मेरी मम्मी. तो जो मम्मी को फ़ोन किया, तो बोला तुम कैसे बनाती हो, बोला हम विदाउट ओनियन गार्लिक बनाते हैं और हम उसको ऑफ़र करते हैं. तो अभी ये पेरेंट भी अभी बच्चे को देना है तो चालू किए विदाउट ओनियन गार्लिक और ऑफरिंग करना. एंड स्लोली स्लोली दे डिड नॉट रियलाइज कि दे बिकेम अ डिवोटी एंड स्टार्टेड कमिंग टू टेम्पल. So this is how their spiritual journey started. That बच्चा डिमांड कर रहा है वो मेरे दोस्त के जैसा तिलक चाहिए, मेरे दोस्त के जैसा फूड चाहिए. And just to follow that small things, they landed up becoming a 16-rounder devotee, following 4 regulative principles. एंड आई आस्क्ड देम, आर यू हैप्पी? बोला बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ना. कभी कभी लोगों को डाउट आता है कि माला करने के बाद लोग मिजरेबल होते हैं कि क्या. बोला नहीं यार, वी आर हैप्पी डूइंग. सो द कॉज ऑफ देयर डिवोशन बिकेम दैट लिटिल चाइल्ड. एंड हु इंस्पायर्ड हिम? दैट लिटिल चाइल्ड, डिवोटी का बच्चा. वो तिलक लगा के मंदिर स्कूल आ रहा है, उसका दोस्त इन्फ्लुएंस हो गया. So how someone will become influenced? What trigger someone have in his life? We don't know. So it is always mysterious. So one devotee was in Mayapur, and he was with another devotee. And in Mayapur, you know, वहाँ के मच्छर भी बहुत मर्सीफुल है, एक बार पकड़ लिए तो छोड़ते नहीं है. सो दिस डिवोटी वॉज वेरी मच डिस्टर्ब. रात का 9-10 बज गया, बोला यार मच्छर बहुत परेशान कर रहा है, तो बोला चलो कुछ मॉस्किटो रिपेलेंट या कुछ तो लेकर आते हैं. सो द पार्टनर ऑफ दिस फेलो, दिस डिवोटी said, अरे why to kill mosquitoes? They are in the dham. So don't bring mosquito repellent or mosquito coil or so that this mosquitoes will die. So the another devotee was shocked, बोला अरे इतना मच्छर परेशान कर रहा है, तुमको भी नींद नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे भी नींद नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन why you are so merciful? बोला this is Mahaprabhu's mercy. Before coming to Krishna consciousness, I was a army person and I would kill people indiscriminately. हम जैसे हर दिन अपना माला गिनते हैं ना, वैसे उनका काउंट होता था 16 का. बोला आज 16 माला कंप्लीट, ठक 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 ठक. बोला that was my life and I would always be fearless killing people, insensitive. बोला then what happened? So he said one day I came across one person and I was about to kill him. I put my gun on his head, forehead, and there was no fear in his eyes. So that was the biggest shock in my life. I have never seen such a fearless person in my life. So I asked him, why you are fearless? He said, because I am not the body, I am soul. तो वो चक्रा गया, बोला ये क्या फिलोसॉफी है? आई एम नॉट द बॉडी, आई एम सोल. बोला यस, इवन इफ यू किल मी आई वोंट बी किल्ड. उसको और झटका लगा. बोला इफ आई किल यू एंड यू आर स्टिल नॉट किल्ड. बोला यस. बोला ये क्या है? बोला ये भगवत गीता का टीचिंग है. तो और चकरा गया, बोला ये भगवत गीता क्या है? और इन द मिडल ऑफ दिस remote place, what are you saying? Like yes, soul doesn't take birth, soul doesn't die, and that therefore I am fearless. So that time this person got shock of his life and he asked, please tell me what is this, what makes you fearless? तो फिर डिवोटी को यही मौका चाहिए रहता है. तो उसने 7 days भगवत गीता कोर्स अगले 2-3 घंटे में उसको सुना दिया. And once he heard that, when he realized, I am not this body, I am soul, and I am eternal servant of Krishna, he became a devotee, and he started practicing Krishna consciousness. And what a transformation, where he was counting 16 every day, now he is counting 16 mala every day. He was harming everyone every day. Now he even doesn't want to kill mosquitoes. पहले लोगों को मॉस्किटोज की तरह मारता था. So this is the example of potency of Krishna consciousness. If one is sincere, one is serious about his practice, transformation has to take place. If transformation is not taking place, if your sabhav is not changing, if you are not able to overcome your anarthas, overcome your habits, addiction, that means we are not seriously practicing Krishna consciousness. आग और पानी एक साथ नहीं रह सकते. addiction or sincere practice cannot stay together. Either you have addiction or you have a sincere practice. दोनों में से एक चीज होगा. So therefore here we have the great example and great story of Shripad Narada Muni, who is talking about how he came in Krishna consciousness. And yesterday I was telling you all that we all want to know how someone came in Krishna consciousness. But there is more interesting story how they stay in Krishna consciousness happily. So here Narad Muni is meeting his disciple Srila Vyasadeva, and there to explain the potency of devotional service, he starts explaining his own example, that how this devotional service is so powerful. When practiced sincerely, followed properly, it can create miracles. Aham puratita bhave bhavam mune दास्यास्तु कस्याचिन वेदवादिना निरूपितो बालक एव योगिना शुश्रूषणे प्रावृषि निर्विवीक्षिताम् अहम पुरातित भवे भुवे मुनम मुने भवम मुने दास्यास्तु कस्याचिन वेदवादिना. So he begins his story saying that in my previous life I was a son of a maid servant. I did not have any qualification. And Prabhupada beautifully writes in this purport saying that he was the son of the most insignificant parentage. He was not properly educated. Still, because of his complete energy was engaged in service of the Lord, he became an immortal sage. So what you were, it doesn't matter. And kabhi we have this what do we call? Thinking low about ourselves. Inferiority complex, yes. अरे मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मुझे ये नहीं आता है, मुझे वो नहीं आता है, I cannot do this well, I cannot do that well. We are always having this kind of thoughts in our mind, and we neglect or we overlook the potency of devotional service. What is your capacity? What is your not capacity? Don't think about that much. Here, Narad Muni was not having great parentage. He was not even properly educated. He was not knowing how to do these things or those things, that thing. Insignificant. But what he can do, what he cannot do materially, because everyone has his own karma. In material life, if you can sing well, that is your good karma. If you can speak well, that is your karma. If you can earn money, that is your karma. Don't equate your karma with your devotion. By the karmic reaction, Narad Muni had received the life of a son of a maid servant, where nothing was available for him. But what was in his hand? Putting full energy in practicing devotional service. And that is what Prabhupada writes here. Although he had an insignificant parentage, he put up full energy in practicing devotional service. So, that made him an immortal sage. Previous to the son of maid servant, Narad Muni was a great singer. in heavenly planet. And he would sing glories of the Lord. Was supposed to sing. But one day, Prabhupada writes in purport, he started singing filmy songs. And the in charge over there saw, he is instead of glorifying the Lord, he is singing filmy songs. So he said, you are not fit for this position. So his previous life was Ubbaran, the great singer, who would charm by his voice, his singing. And girls would, miss Apsaras, not girls, sorry. Apsaras would be moving and roaming around him. So instead of pleasing Krishna, he started pleasing them. And the result was, his privileges were taken away. And then he landed up being a son of a maid servant, where there were no facilities. But he says, somehow or other, I came in touch with devotees, Bhakti Vedantis. And what happened in that association, he writes, he explains this to Vyasadeva. So he says, Te maya peta kila chapal arbake dante kridanake anuvartini chakru kripam tulya yadyapi tulya darshana shushrushamane munayo alpa bhashini. So he says that Te maya peta kila chapale arbake. Actually, I was a little child. So, he must be a 5-year or 6-year-old child. And his mother would be serving this Bhakti Vedantist. She was not knowing. She had a profession of a maid servant. So, she came in touch with this Bhakti Vedantist. She was serving these devotees. And as he was a little child, he would go with his mother to serve these devotees. And Prabhupada writes there, this is the power of atmosphere surcharged with devotional service. What happens when we entered into right ambience? The ambience which is surcharged with devotional service. The place which is surcharged with devotional service, it affects the heart of a person. Because places carry vibrations. So when you go in theater, you don't feel, I should be chanting it. No, the vibrations are invested with passion and ignorance. So those thoughts, those actions will come out. People carry vibrations. With whom you associate, those vibrations you absorb. Yoshita sangi sangaha. For devotee to associate with those who are attached to the sense gratification, and especially women, those people also carry those vibrations and they transfer you without your knowing. So which atmosphere is surcharged with passion and ignorance, and which atmosphere is surcharged with devotion, is immediately understood with the kind of thought process or thoughts we come across. When you meet some person उसको मिलने के बाद आपके मन में क्या थॉट आते हैं, दैट गिव्स यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि भाई मैं भक्त से मिला या कम भक्त से मिला. So here, when Narad Muni, as a child in his previous life, when entered in that association, immediately that vibration of devotional service affected his heart. And what happened? He started desiring that I should be like this. What does association means? Association doesn't mean coming together and laughing together and talking together. That is not the association. When association affects you? When you start thinking, I want to be like that. And when that happens, ददाति प्रतिग्रहणाति गुह्यमाख्याति पृच्छति भुंक्ते भोजयते चैव षड्भिर भक्ति प्रसिद्धति. So real association means exchange of food, exchange of thoughts, exchange of दिल की बातें, heart to heart talk. And when you see someone is making some good money in share market, and when you hear from him, बोला यार मैंने पिछले साल 10 करोड़ बनाया, हाँ ये स्टॉक में लगाया, ये स्टॉक में लगाया, ये स्टॉक में लगाया. Immediately what happens? क्या होता है? अगले क्षण बोला यार I want to be like this. मुझे भी उधर इन्वेस्ट करना है, अपने को भी एक साल में 10 करोड़ बनाना है. That is the effect. That means you have associated with that person. That means there is a heart-to-heart transformation, heart-to-heart talk. So when Narad Muni as a child entered in this atmosphere of Bhakti Vedantis, immediately he started thinking, I want to be like this. Association is very powerful. Choose your association carefully. That was the first step of Narad Muni's life. He did not consciously choose. He did not consciously. Accidentally he landed up. Just like we all have accidentally landed up in this association. है ना? Generally we say we all are accidental devotees. Is there anyone Maharathi, Mahabhagavad, bola searching for Krishna everywhere? Krishna, where are you? Where are devotees? Where are my life and soul? Few rare soul like His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj and few disciples of Prabhupada. आप में से भी होगा कोई मालूम नहीं. But we did not consciously become a devotee. We landed up accidentally. But now we should utilize that association. So then what happened? दंते क्रीडन के अनुवर्तिनी चक्रुम कृपाम यद्यपि तुल्य दर्शना शुश्रूषमाने मुनयो अल्पभाषिणी. So he says that when I started serving those great Mahatmas, those great devotees of the Lord, so first thing happened in my life that Dante means I became self-controlled. So self-control is the essential aspect of devotional service. Self-control in all aspects. Self-control in using your media. Self-control in dealing with opposite gender. self-control in eating and sleeping, control in our speech, what we speak. If those things are not taken care, then material energy can sweep you down. Therefore, discipline is not option. Discipline is compulsion. Devotional practice cannot be done with चलता है ना यार, ऐसे भी रहूं तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, वैसे भी प्रैक्टिस करूं तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. That is the deadliest attitude someone can have in devotional service. That चलता है ना, हो जाएगा. वैसे भी महाप्रभु मर्सीफुल है, कोई भक्ति कर नहीं रहा है, मैं तो कम से कम उतना तो कर रहा हूँ, है कि नहीं. महाप्रभु देख लेंगे, मैं अपना ढीला ढाला चलते रहूँगा. आई डोंट नीड डिसिप्लिन. डिसिप्लिन तो है ना, कभी कभी एक व्यक्ति से पूछा गया, बोला व्हाई डोंट यू स्टडी, इफ यू डोंट स्टडी यू वोंट गेट जॉब. तो वो बोला हम जॉब करने वालों में से नहीं है, हम जॉब देने वालों में से है. तो हमको भी कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है, व्हाई डू आई डोंट नीड टू फॉलो डिसिप्लिन, डिवोशनल सर्विस मुझे मिल ही जाएगा. नो, डिसिप्लिन इज अ क्रूशियल पार्ट ऑफ आवर प्रैक्टिस. Because yesterday, as I was telling you, Maya is, material energy is super tricky. It is also pace bowler and it is also spin bowler. वो कब गुगली डालेगी या कब यॉर्कर डालेगी आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. Just like, how many of you brush every day? Huh? Thank God, everyone, isn't it? अब जाने दो, वो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछो. We brush every day. If you don't brush for 10 days, क्या होगा? हाँ? We'll have a bad breath, isn't it? कोई पास खड़ा नहीं रहेगा. So we are very much careful about dental hygiene, but we are careless about transcendental hygiene or our mental hygiene. If you don't chant properly, just like when you don't brush every day, it will have a bad breath. Similarly, if you don't chant regularly, attentively, you will have a bad thoughts. And we cannot discount on this. As I always tell you all, that devotional service is not yearly or monthly practice. It is क्या? Every moment practice. डेली तो बहुत आराम से हो गया अपना तो. So in devotional life, you cannot discount on discipline. बोला नहीं, without discipline also I can practice devotional service. It will be a nightmare. Some devotee said, somebody said that prayers are not spare wheel, it is a steering wheel. How many of you know about car or vehicles? They all have a spare wheel. Spare wheel पता है क्या होता है? हाँ? क्या होता है? Extra tire, है ना? If tire is punctured somewhere in between, so you have one extra tire. So generally we think our prayers or our sadhana is a spare wheel. जब टायर पंक्चर हो जाए, जब कुछ परेशानी हो जाए, जब कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाए, तब आई टेक शेल्टर ऑफ चैंटिंग. तब मैं चैंटिंग इंटेंसली करूँगा, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण, प्रभु जी प्रॉब्लम ये वो. So we think our sadhana, our chanting is a spare wheel. But that is not the fact. Our sadhana, our practice is a steering wheel which guides the vehicle. And we are most indisciplined in our sadhana. And therefore, we have to hear. Narad Muni says, I immediately became self-controlled, disciplined. चक्रुम कृपाम यद्यपि तुल्य दर्शनाम दंते क्रीडनके अनुवर्तिनी. And the next thing, so the first, self-control, discipline. The second, he says, although being a child, I did not become attached to sports. बच्चों के लिए खेल ही सब कुछ होता है. बालस्तावत क्रीडा सकता, तरुणास्तावत तरुणी सकता, वृद्धोस्तावत चिंता सकता, पर ब्रह्मेन कोपि न सकता. बालस्तावत क्रीडा सकता. It's natural that a child is attached to sports. Nowadays, somebody said, whether it is child, whether it is adult, or whether it is old, everyone is addicted to games, playing in video games, isn't it? Everyone is addicted. One day I was traveling in a train, और एक बूढ़ा व्यक्ति बैठा था बाजू में, और वो कैंडी क्रश खेल रहा था पूरा रास्ता भर. मैं बोला यार, he is about to die and he is crushing candy. And in youth we are finding crush. So just like he said, I became. कुछ काम का नहीं होता है, चाहे कितनी भी उसने तपस्या क्यों ना हो की हो, वो तपस्या भी हरिबोल हो जाती है. किम त्यागेन श्रुतेन वा, even if he is so learned and even if he has renounced everything, लेकिन जिसके हृदय में स्त्री चली गई है, उसे न रात में नींद आती है, न दिन में चैन होता है, और भक्ति में डिस्ट्रैक्शन होते ही रहता है. So don't take it so easily कि I can deal with anything. We will be lost. We will be torn apart. And all those things entered in your life when you expose yourself to watching movies secretly, watching so many other content, hearing so many other content. That way you won't become detached. You will become more and more attached. दंते क्रीडनके अनुवर्तिनी चक्रुम कृपाम यद्यपि तुल्य दर्शना. So the devotees of the Lord, they don't favor or they don't unfavor someone. They are tulya darshana. The kind of energy you put, that kind of reciprocation you receive. And that is Lord's principle. If you have shown your sincerity by putting up your energy, that much reciprocation Krishna will do. So Krishna is not partial or impartial. Devotees are not partial or impartial. The more you want to achieve it, the more you will get it. So, is Krishna responsible for our practice? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Who is responsible? Ourselves. Is your counselor responsible? बोला मेरा काउंसलर ठीक नहीं है. Not your counselor is also responsible. It is you who is responsible for your practice. नहीं तो कृष्णा पहले बोल देते थे, बोला जैसे तेरा काउंसलर रहेगा वैसा मैं तेरे को भक्ति अर्पण करूंगा. तो अपना टेंशन ही नहीं. He says, ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते. The way you approach, so shall I reward. So now it's almost 4:20. We are supposed to end. Today also we could not complete, but whatever we have discussed, if you carry those principles in our life, definitely Krishna will shower his blessings upon us, and we will progress gradually but surely in achieving our purpose of life. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Nidai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
Shri Satyananda